Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the external ID in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to our objects so we can create these external ID. So we go to the setup menu from here, you go to setup, and after that you will need to get to the objects manager. If you don't find it here, just go to the quick find and search for objects manager. So here we will have it, and by clicking on it, you will need just to go to the objects that you want to create an external ID for. Let's suppose it would be an account, and from here you will need just to go to fields in relationship. Then we need to create our new field that would be the external ID. So I'm just going to click on new. We add the type of our ID or this external ID, and it will be a text, and basically we need just to search for the text, and from here we go to next, and basically it should be unique. So you give it a label, let's just name it external. You give it a length, uh, you can add a minimum or a maximum length for this text field, and basically here you will need to make sure that it is unique, and of course it should be case sensitive. So here we choose these ones, and of course you will need to choose that this is an external ID. And after that, you will need just to click on next. And of course, let's just give it, for example, 15 characters. Next, and then you will add the visibility. You can add it for all the profile, doesn't matter. And then you click next here, and after that you will be able to click on save, and now you have this external ID. So basically from now you will be able to start importing data using this custom or using this new external ID for uh, importations, and you can do it by using a data loader, for example. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.